Hi students, congratulations on clearing your 12th examinations. और अब आता है लाइफ का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजन, choosing a right university and a right career path. ये वो स्टेज है where you might be getting advices from your parents, relatives and cousins. While their guidance matters, ये जो डिसीजन है ये आपके आने वाले सालों का फ्यूचर, करियर, अपॉर्चुनिटीज सब डिसाइड करने वाला है. Let me introduce you to CGC University Mohali, AI driven campus. एक ऐसा कैंपस जिसका फोकस सिर्फ डिग्री पे नहीं है बल्कि एक सक्सेसफुल फ्यूचर स्टूडेंट को देने पर है. With 100+ programs and 10+ schools offered across multiple disciplines, you can choose from various domains including School of Engineering and Technology, School of Management Studies, School of Legal Studies, School of Advanced Computing, School of Allied and Health Sciences, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, School of Liberal Arts and Languages, School of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, Newton School of AI and Computing, and last, the Meta School of Business. Learning at CGC University Mohali goes beyond the classrooms because professional mentors from organizations like KPMG, IBM, EY, Capgemini, WNS come directly to the campus for giving real-world insights, practical exposure, and so much more. यानी CGC University लाया है कॉर्पोरेट इनटू द कैंप. और अब उस चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं जो हर स्टूडेंट और पेरेंट करियर जर्नी में चाहते हैं, एंड दैट इज प्लेसमेंट एंड करियर रेडीनेस. At CGC University Mohali, we have a very dedicated department that is DCPD, Division of Career Planning and Development. ये वो डिपार्टमेंट है जो ये मेक श्योर करता है कि हर स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयर हो जाए एक प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड के लिए. DCPD inbuilds the skills into the students through personality development sessions, aptitude and reasoning training, group discussions, mock interviews, soft skill development and career mentoring programs. तो जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो बहुत सिंपल है, to transform the students into confident and industry-ready professionals because we believe in each one job. And if your dream is not to work for a company but to build one, CGC University Mohali entrepreneurs को support करता है through Venture Nest. Now, what is Venture Nest? Venture Nest is an incubation ecosystem. From idea validation to mentorship to funding opportunities, स्टूडेंट्स को इस वेंचर नेस्ट ई-सेल में हर तरह का सपोर्ट मिलता है. जितने भी स्टार्टअप्स, जितने भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हमारे वेंचर नेस्ट ई-सेल के साथ जुड़े हैं, they have got the funding up to 1 crore and beyond. In today's global world, international exposure is not just an option, it is a necessity. और CGC यूनिवर्सिटी इस बात पे पूरी तरह से विश्वास करता है, इसलिए आपको मल्टीपल अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी जाती हैं so that you gain international global exposure through semester exchange programs, international short-term programs, credit transfer pathways, 1+2 and 2+2 international study models, global internship opportunities, and prestigious summer school programs. With 300+ global academic tie-ups spanning across 70+ countries and 5+ continents, CGC University Mohali gives you international exposure beyond borders. To further strengthen this global exposure, every year we organize Global Education Conclave, an ITEP program where international accommodations industry experts come to the campus and share the global insights directly into the campus. Adding to this international ecosystem, CGC University Mohali also houses a very dedicated Japanese learning center where all the students get the opportunity to learn Japanese. The best part about this international exposure is that we are associated with 100+ Japanese organizations which strengthen your exposure, your learning and growth even more. But university life doesn't mean only academics. At CGC University, you get the chance to grow, learn, compete and celebrate. From culture festivals like Savaskar, Vistoso, and your favorite fresher party, you get the opportunity to meet your favorite celebrities. यानी बहुत सारी memories and unforgettable experiences. और जब student के well-being और comfort की बात आती है, CGC University Mohali offers a true home away from home. The hostel facilities at CGC provide a very safe and enriching living experience featuring comfortable accommodation, modern gym facilities, beauty and wellness services, hygienic dining facilities, medical and dispensary services, and safe, secure environment. तो अगर तुम confused हो और समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी को चूज करो, now you know about the new age university, that is CGC University Mohali, that combines academic excellence with industry exposure, entrepreneurship support, vibrant campus life, and most importantly, strong career focus. So choose a university, choose a future that builds your success. Choose CGC University. Admissions are open. Your dream career starts here.